Good morning children. Welcome to our social class. Today I will explain you the second lesson, that is part 2, flow of rivers. In the last class we learned about rains. How do we get rains and about water cycle. You all know we receive rains in the form of snow, fog and water droplets. Now, in today's lesson, we will know about what happened to this rainwater, where they go. Now, come to the second part of the lesson, flow of rivers. Flow of rivers. What happened to the water that fall on the earth? Some of it percolates into the soil. Children, do you know what is percolate? Means sinking into the ground. The water which fall on the ground will go into the ground, and some flow on the surface of the land, and the rest become water vapor and mixes with air. You know the water cycle. Okay children, in this part we will discuss the water which flow on the surface of land. Come to rivers. Rivers. How these rivers are formed. First we will know a definition of a river. A large natural stream of water is called river. I think many of you have seen the river. You have taken the holy bath in the river. Okay children. Now how these rivers are formed, we will know. And you have seen the definition also. Once again I am repeating. A large natural stream of water is called river. Children, there are two types of rivers: perennial rivers and peninsular rivers. Perennial rivers, these are evergreen rivers. They will flow throughout the year. Why they will flow throughout the year? Because they has taken birth in Himalayas. Because of melting ice that is found in Himalayas, these rivers will flow throughout the year. Example, you can take Ganga river, Indus river, Brahmaputra river. Okay children. Then peninsular rivers. These rivers we can see in Telangana. These rivers depend upon rain. They are not evergreen. When there is heavy rain, they flow full. If there is no rain, they will get dry up. Okay children. Example, Godavari river, Krishna river, Kaveri river, Mahanadi river. Okay children. Then how these rivers formed? The small streams or the rainwater flowing in small streamlets. Streamlets means some narrow path of water. These rainwater flow in the form of streamlets on slope lands. We also know water flow in small streams from the mountain slopes during the rainy season. These small streams all join and form a river. We will see in the rainy season the rainwater flowing in the form of streams. Okay children. Sometimes when there is no rain, these streams get dry up. But all these streams joins to form a water. Large amount of water known as rivers. Okay children. When it rains again, water flows down the same channel. In this way, river courses and river valleys are formed. Okay children. This process is shown in the figure 2.3 of your textbook. You can see here. Here see, Children, you observe this picture. The small streams, rainwater streams are formed here. Okay, these streams flow and join the big flow of water called rivers, and they will form a broad river. You can see here a pic of Ganga river. Okay, it is a perennial river. Okay, children. And here it is a river Godavari. It is a peninsular river. Okay, children. I think you understood. Now come to the another topic. Transformation of a stream into a broad river. Just I explained you. Small streams form a big river. See now. At its source, a river usually starts in the form of a thin stream. How it starts a river? It starts in the form of a thin stream. As it flows further, it gets bigger and broader. Okay. A river actually flows in the form of a thin stream. After joining of different streams, it will get bigger. This happens because many small streams joining it as the stream flow. Okay, children. Small rivers or streams which join a larger river are called tributaries. Now, what is a tributary? It is a stream or river that flow into a larger stream or joins a river. It is a tributary. Tributary is nothing but again streams, small streams which joins the river. As the river becomes bigger and broader, its flow gets slower. Children, see this map. See this map, children. You can see the tributaries of river Godavari and Krishna. See, Kadam, Maneru, Manjira, Pranahita. These are the tributaries of river Godavari. And Musi, Dhandi, Peddavago, Tungabhadra. These are the tributaries of river Krishna. Okay, children, observe the map carefully. All these tributaries join the river to become broader. Okay, children. As it nears the sea, the speed of water in the river decreases. When the pressure of water falls from the high altitude, the water will have a pressure. When it comes down, it will move in slow speed. In the same way, as the rivers become wider or broad, they decrease their speed. Okay, children. The speed of water in the river decreases and is no longer able to carry the silt and sand. You all know the flow of water carries many things, the silt and everything. Okay, when the speed decreases, the river dumps or leaves the silt or other things which it carries in a low lying area. We all know that water flows from high area to low area. In that area, this everything, the silt and whatever the things the sea carries with it pressure, it will dump there, and these will form the plains. This we'll see later. It deposits them on its own course then gets filled up with. When flood water comes again, they have to cut through new channel to reach the sea. Thus, towards the end of its journey to the sea, a river forms a delta. Okay. Now, what is a delta? What is a delta, children? Delta is a area or wetland where river empties their water. Okay. And examples are Godavari River Delta, Krishna Delta, Kaveri Delta, Mahanadi Delta. These are the river deltas. And I said these are rivers which depend on rainwater. Sometimes these rivers get dried up, we'll say. Rivers like Krishna and Godavari starts from the western Ghats, which receives heavy rainfall. The rainwater slowly percolates into the ground and flow into the river all through the year. On the other hand, many rivers which start from the dry region like Dindi, Manjira, Musi are fed by scanty rainfall. Here they will have less rainfall. These Dindi, Manjira we can take as a streams also, the tributaries. When there is no rainfall, they will get dry up. Okay, children. Others which start in the eastern Ghats receive only moderate rainfall and the water flows rapidly into the sea. That is why they go dry during the non-rainy season. Okay, children, you understood, I think? When there is no rain, they will get dry up. When there is heavy rains, this rainwater flows in the form of streams and joins the river, and it will become a big river like Krishna and Godavari. I think you understood the flow of rivers, how these rivers formed, and perennial rivers, what are peninsular rivers, what is a tributary, what is a delta. Okay, children, and observe the map. And children, do the given homework. Thank you.